Howdy everybody out there in YouTube land. This is a wet amateur artist Mark D. Chandler once again from ManLand. Got finished with a temporary project. Yeah, bones is supposed to be coming out a little bit later on. Man, my glasses are all spotted with wet stuff. It's another hot Sunday out here and we're going to do a little cooking. But this video is not about the cooking. I'm going to cook some egg rolls. But while I'm out here, before Bones showed up, I had to set up my temporary cool me down in a hot summer water mister. Let me show you right quick. Yeah, water hose comes up to this point right here. This right here is one of them you know, them water bottles, you know. I got a bunch of them for free. That right there is a Mississippi cane pole. Actually, it's Mississippi cane pole. I call it Mississippi bamboo there a lot. Water hose runs up there to the top. There's water inside this thing to weight it down. And yeah, I know this ain't permanent, folks. This is temporary. Because desperate times call for desperate measures. And went to I think it was Home Depot and bought a 3-pack of these wands right here. And that one actually has a mister on it. So does the other two, but this one here works the best, this wand. And man, it is nice. Yeah, I just got it tied up there temporarily. And let me crank it up and show you what I'm talking about. So when it's too daggum hot, all you gotta do is turn this valve on. Just like this. And you get a cool mist. It cools you down. But now, the problem is, it's such a fine mist that when the wind blows, it kind of blows it all over. But to fix that, when the wind's blowing a little bit strong, turn it to the shower setting. And now it's raining. It's too much rain. Get up under the umbrella. Oh man. Yeah, buddy. That right there is what I'm talking about. That makes a difference here in the state of Mississippi. When you're outside and you don't want to be inside under the AC, well, this is better than kids play right here. It's for grown-ups. The kids will love it too. So give it a go. Get yourself one of them misters and just have some wet, cool fun on a hot day. Until next time, this is amateur artist Mark D. Chandler once again from ManLand. Wishing you and y'all a very cool YouTube experience out there on a hot summer day. Until next time, bye-bye now. Woo! I'm going back to the rain shower. And that's what I'm screaming. Yeah. Woo, yeah, buddy.